What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the Honeywell dual section clip-on desk lamp. Big shout out to the company Honeywell for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So, some of the features and details. This features stepless dimming. You're going to be able to go from 10% brightness all the way up to 100%. It features 4 levels of color temperature adjustment. That's going to be from 3,000 kelvins to 5,700 kelvins. It has a flexible multi-angles design. The width on it is going to be 31.49 inches, and the height is 23.62. It has an auto-off timer with memory function. It comes with a strong C-clamp, and it also features a work mode that's going to automatically set this into 4,000 kelvins as well. So those are a few of the features and details. I'll definitely drop the product purchase link down below. This is the box that it comes in. There's some other information right there. You guys can pause and read yourself. And we're going to go ahead and get this out of the packaging, take a look at it, get it set up, and demo it. Okay, guys, so we're back. I have everything out of the box. So you're going to get your user's manual in the box. You get your power supply cable, which is a very small, compact power supply. Now, this plugs in at the bottom of your stand, and I'll show you where that goes. You're going to have your 2 lamp heads. So this is what they look like. All plastic material. You do have a groove right here that's going to slide into your main stand. You're also going to have your other lamp head. This does have a little branding on it right there, as you guys see. All plastic. It also has a groove. You're going to get your heavy-duty C-clamp. Here it is. This is what attaches to your desk or wherever you're going to put this. You got that, and then you have your controller and your stand here. So this expands, as you guys see right here. Swivels, the head of this swivels, and that's what it looks like there. So we're going to show you where the C-clamp goes. So your power supply is going to plug in right here, as opposed to all the way up at the top and running down. So a little bit neater on your cable management there. And the C-clamp is going to plug into the bottom of this, just like this. Slide that in. You have to loosen this screw up. Slide it there, tighten down the screw, and that's what it's going to look like right there. So let's take a look at the control panel next. Let me get this turned around the right way. So here's the control panel. You got your power, your brightness up, your brightness down. You're going to have your work mode, which automatically sets this at 4,000 kelvins. You have your control here to control your color temperature, which is going to be 3,000 kelvins to 5,700. And then you have your 1-hour timer. So it all looks pretty good, made out of plastic and metal. Nice chrome accents here. And we're going to go ahead and attach one of the light bars. Show you how this goes. So that groove right there, it's going to slide right in here. Now there's some contact pins right there. That's how you're going to get your power. So you just take your head here, slide it in that slot right there. Boom. There it is. You're going to take this other one and go on the other side. I don't have enough room to demonstrate this, but I'll show you it all completed once we get this mounted to my desk. So let's go ahead and mount it to the desk and try it out. Okay, guys, so I have the Honeywell LED lamp, desk lamp connected to my desk, and this is what it looks like right here. Very nice looking. Now, I have a 24-inch monitor, so it looks a little big compared to my monitor, but I do like the idea of how much light it is putting out right there. So if you have a bigger monitor, it will, go from side to side even more, but this is not bad for me. So remember that you can flex this any way you want, turn it side to side. It's very easy to maneuver right there, and it feels pretty solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall and break. But this is the amount of light right here. And let's go through the controls. So you got your power button. If I hit the power button, it does a gradual fade out. Just like that, pretty nice. And I do have a light over here, but this is, and another one over on the other side, but this is the amount of light and we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. That's 100%. So we're going to go ahead and lower the light. So that's 10%. As you guys see, it's very bright. I'm going to go ahead and bring it back up. Right there, that's 100%. Next, you're going to have your work. So if you press that, that sets it at 4000K right off the bat. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next. This is going to be your color temperatures. So as you guys see, you can cycle through. That's a warm. That's another temperature. That's another one. And this is the brightest. So very easy to press those. And then you got your timer right here. You can set that. And you can turn it off if you want. That's a 1 hour timer. So a lot of light there. Like I said, you can move it around, position it where you want. And then here's a look at the clamp. And the one plug that plugs in right there. Very easy to connect the clamp. And it makes great for cable management as well. So very nice lamp right here. Very nice. Very easy to connect. And it puts out a lot of light, like I said. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.